I know, Corny. It's a fine beach day, but we need to get these home-baked goodies to Mr. Porter's. Okay, we'll slow down so you can enjoy the view, but only for a minute. Cornelius!
Uh-oh, you've got a pig on the run.
Corny, stop!
Now, Corny, you come back here. What? Cornelius J. Pig, bring your curly tail back here. Oh, I'll never be able to outswim that fancy surfboard.
Hey, Farmer Al.
Ryder, Corny's out joyriding a wind surfboard. The last time that pig was on a boat, he got really seasick.
Don't worry, we're on it. Zuma, Rocky and I are headed your way. I've got a log on your location now.
Thanks, Ryder. I could seriously use some help.
Hi, Captain Turbot.
Ryder, I'm witness to the wackiest windsurfing wonder ever.
Don't tell me, a windsurfing pig, right?
Huh.
We're on our way, Captain.
Watch out, Wally! Oh no! Pig overboard!
Zuma, gear up and follow me underwater to Corny.
Woohoo! Scuba!
You saved him! Great job, Ryder!
Rocky, pull up your winch. Now, let's get him back to shore.
Corny! Oh, how you doing, pal?
Rusty and Captain Scoops. So, what kind of ice cream are you gonna get?
My all-time fave, raspberry swirl with sprinkles. How about you?
Well, I've narrowed it down to my 30 most favorite flavors.
Did someone say ice cream?
Sammy!
We were just on our way to your store.
Well, I'll save you the trip. 'Cause look, Sammy Scoops delivers.
My favorite! One of my 30 favorites. Thanks, Sammy.
You know, with a mobile car like this, I think I'll be the busiest ice cream guy in town.
Aren't you the only ice cream guy in town?
I was, until the ice cream queen showed up.
Yoo-hoo! Can we get some ice cream?
A customer! Be right back, guys. I gotta get over there before... Ice cream queen. Too heavy. Thank you, ice cream queen.
She's fast.
That's the problem. The ice cream queen is so fast, she gets to all the customers before I do.
The only reason she's faster than you is because she has a truck. So you know what you need?
A faster truck?
Nope. Something even better. Say hello to your new ride, the Turbo Runner 3000. Nothing delivers ice cream faster.
I don't know. Don't you think I should just get a regular truck?
Why get a regular old truck when you can have turbo rockets?
Turbo what now?
Go on, Sammy. Give it a spin.
All right. I hope I've got this. I guess now I just need some customers.
Hey, you guys want some ice cream?
Absolutely. I'm on my way. Let's see. Eeny, meeny, miny, rockets?
Uh-oh, you forgot the ice cream.
Grappling hook!
Look out!
Oh man, that was close.
Guys?
My ice cream cart! Whew, we stopped. And my ice cream's okay.
Sorry that didn't work out, Sammy. But I think next time...
Rusty, this machine is cool and all, but maybe speed isn't really my thing. I'd much rather make ice cream for people.
Hooray! Thanks, Ice Cream Queen!
Well, not those people. They already have some.
Cheer up, Sammy. There's more than one way to deliver ice cream. And that should do it. The ice cream blaster is ready to go.
It's kind of heavy, Ruby. I can't really move.
You don't have to move, Sammy. The ice cream blaster automatically finds a person who wants ice cream, and then boom! It launches the perfect cone right into their hand.
We'll pretend to be your customers. Hello there. We would like some ice cream, please.
Sure, coming right.
Ta-da!
You did it, Sammy.
Hey, I did! Oh, wow! I want to do that again.
Now's your chance. Look. Hey, Officer Carl. Want some ice cream?
You bet I do! No, stay there. Ice cream away!
Ooh. Huh. It must need more power.
I can fix that. Okay, try it now.
Ice cream away!
Why don't I just come over there?
Wait. I think I got it.
Hey, it's the ice cream queen!
No, look, I'm walking to you! No.
Thanks, Your Highness!
What was I thinking? I'll never be faster than the ice cream queen. Maybe I should just quit.
But what about your customers?
Oh, they'll be fine. They have the ice cream queen.
If we don't do something now, he'll never make ice cream again.
But what can we do? The ice cream queen is so fast. I mean, to beat her, you'd have to be some kind of superhero. Wait a second, that's it! Sammy, wait! I know how you can be faster than the ice cream queen.
How?
We're going to turn you into Captain Scoops, the ice cream superhero.
Wow! Me? A superhero?
Let's combine it
And design it. We'll start with these metal plates to make a super strong super suit.
Then we'll add the rockets from the turbo runner to give Sammy jet-powered propulsion.
Then combine it with the ice cream launcher. Put it all together, and we've got our plan. Customized, Rustified. Captain Scoops Suit 3000!
The rockets and ice cream blaster didn't work so well on their own, but now that they're all together in the suit,
I'd say you're ready to deliver some ice cream, Captain Scoops.
Really? But I don't know what any of these buttons do.
That turns on the rockets! See? You're getting the hang of it.
If you say so.
don't worry, Sammy. Rusty and I will do everything we can to help.
Okay, then, Captain Scoops away!
Okay, Sammy, get ready for some customers.
Hi, would anyone like some ice cream? This looks like a job for Captain Scoops. like a job for... Ice Cream Queen?
Oh no, she's trying to get to Liam first.
She won't beat me this time. I'm gonna get there first. Whoa! She's out of control. Captain Scoops to the rescue.
Go, Captain Scoops! Whoa!
Here you go.
Gee, thanks, Captain Scoops.
Awesome!
Wow, Sammy, that was incredible.
You're a real hero. Wow!
Excuse me, are you all right?
Yeah, I'm fine. Thanks to you. I can't believe you stopped my truck.
It was nothing, Miss Ice Cream Queen?
Well, my real name's Samantha, but you can call me Sammy.
Sammy? That's my name too! Well, except when I'm Captain Scoops.
That suit is amazing.
Really? You want it?
What? What?
Seriously, it's way too fast for me.
Oh, wow! Going fast is my thing. All I want to do is zoom around and give people ice cream.
Yeah? I prefer to be busy making the ice cream rather than delivering it.
Guys? Kinda sounds like you'd be perfect partners.
Partners?
Yeah, you even have the same name.
What do you think, Sammy?
I think it's an amazing idea, Sammy. You make the ice cream.
And you deliver it!
This is amazing! Cone Woman, away!
All right! Now, who wants some Sammy Scoops Cone Woman delivered ice cream?
I'm good.
Me too.
Oh, well, who wants more ice cream tomorrow?
Monkey Wrench.
Today's mega mission goes to Farmer Faye.
Ready to haul, y'all.
You'll pick up a monkey at Port Station and deliver him back home to the jungle.
It's monkey time.
Now you're ready to make tracks.
I love being a farm train, but I don't know what I'm gonna say to this monkey. Ahoy, Skipper!
Ahoy, Faye and Liza.
Well, howdy, little monkey. I mean, ba. So long, Skipper. Hi, guys. Howdy, Penny. Where are you headed? Full station. Bye. Bye, Penny. All right, Mr. Monkey, let's get you home. Uh-oh. Where did he go? Here, monkey. Woohoo! Baka! Baka! Monkey! Here, monkey, monkey!
Hey, it's Milo. There's monkey trouble at Building Yard Station. I don't think that monkey understands that the train could fall over.
Yeehaw! Here goes nothing. Woohoo! Wrench! Woohoo! Fix!
Ew.
Woohoo! Aw. Done and delivered. Bye!
Farmer Yumi, do you want me to give the plants a drink now?
I want you to give them something to eat.
Huh?
Plants need nutrition, and that's why we feed them fertilizer. So I brought some Zippy Grow. Zippy Grow is very powerful stuff.
Amazing!
Sweet!
Now, Marshall, could you please give the whole garden a good soaking with the Zippy Grow?
Can I put it in the tank?
Sure, but remember, only one drop.
Hey, If a little Zippy Grow makes the plants grow a little, wouldn't a lot of Zippy Grow make them grow a lot? Probably. That should do it. Hey, what happened to the water?
Time to call the Paw Patrol. Oh, Ryder, thanks for hurrying over.
Quick, Rubble! Grab the squash with your crate.
Oh, crate! Whoa! This is super heavy.
Looks like we still have a cow to rescue. Rubble, grab that broccoli so Bettina can slide down.
On it, Ryder! Is Bettina okay?
One way to find out. Who wants corn? Yep, she'll be fine.
Rusty's Creature Catcher.
Hi, Rusty. What's up? Aside from you.
I'm looking for my self-bouncing ball. Have you seen it?
Nope, can't say that I have.
I think I rustified it too well. It must have bounced right out of the yard. Morning, Botasaur. Good night, Botasaur.
Why is he so tired?
I don't know. Maybe I've been working him too hard. He must be pretty tired, though. He didn't even make it to his bed.
Rusty! Help me! Monster! Ah!
Quiet, Liam. We don't want to wake up Botasaur.
Okay, so I guess you don't want to hear about the monster then.
Monster?
Yes! It's huge with huge feet and huge noises, and it's the hugest huge thing in all of Huge Town. So you're saying it's big? It's not small. Have you actually seen this monster? No, but the noise came from the woods, and it sure sounded big. So you know what I think it is? A Yeti, or Bigfoot, or maybe even a giant nine-headed chipmunk.
Come on, Liam. You know monsters aren't real.
Yeah, but I heard something, Rusty, with my own eyes. I mean ears. If it's not monsters, what's making the sounds?
Let's go and see. If it is some weird creature, maybe we can get a picture.
Too bad we can't bring Botasaur along to help us. This could be a giant nine-headed chipmunk, people.
How about we take Claw instead?
Fine, but I hope he knows karate. Ugh.
To the woods. Time to bolt.
Right here. This is where I think the strange noises were coming from.
Then here's where we'll set up our camera to get the picture.
But a giant monster isn't just gonna walk up and say, blah, 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 blah. That's monster talk for cheese. We need some sort of bait so we can get the whatever it is to come out in the open.
Yeah, it has to be something everybody and everything likes.
I know, a triple chocolate chip cookie. Good idea, but where are we gonna get one of those out here? Good question. Let me think on it.
Liam, is that a triple chocolate chip cookie?
Yup, I call it my thinking cookie.
Could we use it for bait?
Okay, I hope it doesn't eat the whole thing.
camera's ready. I'll get Claw to set up the bait.
I'll set up a laser light grid. Then anything that passes through the beams will turn on the camera.
And we'll have a picture of your creature.
Awesome! I'll put it on my fridge. So now what do we do?
Now,
We wait.
the camera's got something.
Aw, man! And that something got my cookie! Photos downloading to my tablet now. Ah! It's a blur monster from the planet Blob!
No, this one's just out of focus. It's...
The creature! And we got a picture of it!
Actually, it's a squirrel.
At least it's only got one head.
Well, Liam, it looks like the only creature out here is...
Definitely not a squirrel. That's the sound I heard. I knew it. The creature is still out there.
The sound's getting quieter. The creature's moving away from here.
Where's it going? Let me use my sound tracking app. Planner's Peak.
Let's go find that. Whatever it is.
It's just over this ridge.
Whatever it is must be inside that cave.
Wow. At a time like this, I'm sure glad I'm too little to go in there. Well, good luck, Rusty. Liam, nobody's going into that cave.
We don't know what's in there. What if it's dangerous?
Of course it's dangerous. Have you heard the noise it's making? The question is, how do we get a picture of it if we can't go inside?
Easy. Claw can go inside with the camera for us.
And we'll watch on my tablet.
With Claw, I can make sure we see the whole cave.
Looks like we've got rocks and...
A really huge...
monstrous looking... monster! We need to find out what it is for sure.
But the only way to do that is to go in there and see it, face to face.
Actually, since it might have 9 heads, I think you mean face to face to face to face to... Okay, Liam, we get it. Bottosaur could go in the cave, but he's napping. Aw, I'm never going to see this monster.
Sure you will, Liam. Right after I do.
You're going in?
Yeah, but not the way you think.
Great idea, Rusty. Let's combine it
And design it. I'll start with my go-kart.
Then add some powerful steel robot legs to the wheels.
Then combine it with Claw. Put it all together, and we've got our plan. Modified, customized, rustified. The Explorer Monster 6000.
Whoa! That's like an indestructible monster machine.
Yep, and now that I'm protected and scary looking, I can face that whatever it is.
Awesome! That could defeat something with 10 heads. Maybe even 11. Don't forget your camera, Rusty.
Thanks. I'll send you pictures from inside.
How is it in there, Rusty? Do you see it?
Not yet, but I can hear it. It's so close. It must be just around this corner. I see it!
What is it?
I don't know yet. It's huge! No way!
What is it, Rusty?
Potosaur?
Potosaur?
Hey, buddy. What's up? Are you sleeping? Potosaur, wake up! Don't worry, buddy. It's just me. Why are you sleeping in a cave? If you're this tired, you should go back home and sleep in your bed. Is something wrong with your bed?
I can't believe the sound was just a big, giant bodice snore.
Yep, we thought he was sleeping here the whole time.
I wonder what's wrong with his bed. Huh? Whoa! His bed is alive! I just remembered. I have to run away now.
Wait, Potosaur's bed is bouncing. I think I know what's going on. Jack, can you lift up Potosaur's bed?
Okay.
There's my self-bouncing ball. It must have got stuck under there. Now you can sleep in your own bed again, buddy. Oh, what a nice cave monster.
Oh! This whole monstery adventure just gave me a great idea. For what? A new comic of my own. Cave Dweller versus Monster Bot. The battle for Sparkton Hills.
Cool.
I love it. How exactly do you work this thing? Captain Flicker! Arr!
Today's mega mission goes to Great Nate! Great Nate is never late! You get to pick up a pirate ship from Beach Station and deliver it to Museum Station so everyone can see it.
Pirates, ho!
Now you're ready to
Make tracks!
Come on, matey!
Aye, aye, Captain.
Thanks, Tiny! Ugh. Is that a treasure map? Yes! X marks the spot! New mega mission! Follow the map and sail the pirate ship back to Tuckman's Cave!
A pirate crew are we, sailing the seven seas. Ports unknown, we'll our own, pirate treasure we seek. Arr! Giant octopus! Let's make tracks!
Fast, fast, faster!
We're heading towards Caspian's hidden treasure. Wow! Blackbeard's treasure!
We can turn the whole cave into a pirate museum!
Done and delivered. It was our pleasure.
Fine day for fishing with friends on the flounder, eh, Ryder?
Ryder, check out this cool snuggle buddy. Marshall and I saw it fall from a spaceship last night.
I saw something similar in my book on space stuff. It remarkably resembles a relic from the Rhombozoid galaxy.
I bet whoever lost it really misses it.
But how can we get it back to its owner when space is so far away?
I'll start by putting my pup pad in super long distance mode.
Actually, I speak a sprinkling of space speech. The little fella's forlorn because he dropped his favorite toy.
We gotta get Mr. Squeak and beam back to him.
I'll tell them we have it. Bleep, bleep, bleep.
Uh-oh.
Don't worry, we'll reach them. No job is too big, no pup is too small. Make the picture right here, Zuma.
Looking good. Just add the antenna and then it's perfect. One slightly bent antenna, done. And just in time. Looks like the aliens see our picture.
I'm gonna miss you too, Mr. Squeak and Beam.
Marshall, come on!
Uh-oh! Help! Whoa! Whoa! I got him! Roar! Net! Phew!
Captain Turbot, can you translate the alien's message?
I'm pretty sure beep beep means thank you.
Oh! That means you're welcome!
Rusty learns to skate.
I'm so excited to go skating. The lake looks perfect. That is some nice ice.
I'm going to measure how thick it is, just to make sure it's nice to skate on. Yep, it's thick enough.
Yeah!
Okay. Stand back while I fill the hole, guys.
Is that some kind of freeze ray? You're like a superhero. I'll be your sidekick, Ice Cube Boy.
It's a freeze spray. It sprays water, then freezes it.
Oh, I get it. Kind of.
Instantly refrozen.
That's amazing, Rusty. We could use it to freeze the lake and ice skate whenever we want, even in the middle of summer.
Well, it only works on one small area at a time. It can't freeze anything big.
Hey, guys. Ice to see you. See what I did?
I didn't know you liked to ice fish, Sammy.
This is my first time. I enjoy ice, I enjoy fishing, so I thought, why not do them together?
Do you mind if we go for a skate?
Go for it. So far, the only thing I've caught ice fishing is ice.
Let's skate, guys. Come on. Rusty, you're not woo-hooing.
Oh, I just came to make sure the ice was thick enough for you guys. No woo-hooing for me.
Rusty, you always have an excuse not to skate. Last time you said a giant robot was chasing you.
It was. I built it. It didn't exactly work right. Okay, fine. The truth is, I never skate because I never learned how. I just don't see the point of practicing when I know I'm not good at it.
But Rusty, skating is so much fun. Look at me, I'm flying.
Well, I actually have flown several times with jetpacks and rockets, so...
You love ice skating, Rusty. You've got to try it. Look, even the bits love it.
You know what? You guys are right. I should try. I make giant robotic dinosaurs and spaceships. So how hard can ice skating be?
That's the spirit. Liam and I will go get everything you need to learn how to skate. Here you go, Rusty. Ice skates. And a chair to lean on.
Ha! Good one. You guys are such teasers. Seriously, do I get a pair of remote-controlled skates? Or some kind of flying chair?
No, really, this is it.
Really? There's nothing else I can use?
What's wrong with chairs? That's how we all learn. Come on, Rusty. You've got to start somewhere.
Okay, I guess I have to do this the old-fashioned way. All right, here I go. Whoa!
Rusty! Rusty! Rusty!
I'm doing it! Not doing it. Ow. Okay, no problem. I'll just try again.
Rusty! Rusty! Rusty!
Ah! Ow. Okay, third time's a charm.
Rusty! 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 You're doing it!
Yeah, but I'm still going really slowly. And, you know, holding a chair.
It takes lots of time and practice to go fast.
Or I do this Rusty style instead. See? Skating is easy and fun if you just use a little technology.
But that's not really skating.
Okay, going a little too fast now. And I can't steer.
Are you okay?
You guys were right. Grappling hooks and ice skating do not mix. But I have a much better idea.
Please don't be rocket skates. Please don't be rocket skates.
I'm back with rocket skates.
You know, maybe you should just stick with the normal skates and practice more.
Don't worry, guys. It's rocket skates. What could possibly go wrong?
Do you want to answer him or should I?
3, 2,
take cover, everyone!
1. Blast off! I'm not steering them. They're steering me.
We've got you.
I stopped. The skates ran out of power. I'm okay, guys.
Help! Help! Rusty! Help!
Oh, no! Everyone's trapped on hunks of ice. Everyone but Whirly is trapped on hunks of ice.
You melted the ice with your rocket skates.
Sorry, guys. You were right. I should have learned to skate the normal way. Then this...
Apology accepted. Now let's get to the saving.
Oh, right. On it. Whirly, do you think you can try pulling them back to shore?
Whirly's propeller is frozen. Rusty, she can't pull us back.
Maybe Whirly's grappling hook won't work, but we still have mine.
Nice shot, Rusty. Whoa! I don't think I should move. The ice is wobbly.
Good point. Okay, what else do I have that can help? My freeze spray. It can freeze the pieces of ice together when I get them close enough to me.
Ruby, out here! This ice floats fast!
I need a way to pull the ice chunks in and freeze them together at the same time. I know! I'll combine it and design it. I can't hold the grappling hook and the freeze spray at the same time. I need something to mount them on, like my backpack. Then I'll attach the grappling hook to one of the shoulder straps and my freeze spray to the other. Put it all together, and we've got our plan. Modified, customized, rustified. The Retriever Freezer 6000 with deluxe backpack and remote control operation.
Help! Over here! It's getting cold!
Hey, this is awesome. I've never tried free-floating fishing before. Aw, he got away.
Don't worry, I'll save you. Let's do this. 1,000.
Thanks, Rusty.
I did it! Everyone's safe! Woohoo!
Yeah! Awesome! Look, guys, I finally caught a fish. My luck is changing. Woohoo! Ooh, except I'm stuck on an ice floe in the middle of the lake. Never mind.
Don't worry, Sammy. I'll save you. I'm too far away.
You can get closer, Rusty. You just have to skate out on the ice.
Bring me my chair. Here I come, Sammy. I'm saving you. Very slowly. And with a chair.
Rusty! Rusty! Rusty!
Whoa. I did it! I skated!
Yeah!
Hold on, Sammy. I'll pull you in.
Woohoo! Great job, Rusty.
Oh, no! Whoa! Huh?
We've got you, Rusty. Hold Rusty tight, everyone. Here comes Sammy.
Thanks, guys. You saved me. And I caught a fish. Sweet! Hey, I lost my fish.
Great work, Rusty. Everyone's safe. And you skated.
Yeah, I did. You guys were right. With my skates, a chair, and lots of practice, I could get just as good at skating as you. Okay, well, maybe not all of you.
The domino effect!
Today's mega mission goes to Mechanic Milo. Tugga tugga woohoo! You'll pick up a load of giant dominoes at Port Station and use them to make a giant domino line from Pony Peak Station all the way to Central Square Station.
Dominoes ho!
Now you're ready to make tracks! Mechanic Milo is on the job!
Whoa! Those giant dominoes are flying!
Bon voyage!
Woohoo! Now let's start laying down our dominoes! This is going to be the biggest, most amazing domino line ever! Nothing can stop us now! Stop! Whoa! The bridge is breaking! Backing up south! Beep, 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 beep.
I've got an idea!
Milo, the tracks are bending! We're gonna fall!
Not today, Nico!
Best track laying ever! Great job, Milo! Dominoes home!
There! Last one! The domino line is done
And delivered! Domino time!
Who ordered the sausage pizza and a double sausage with extra sausage?
That smells delicious. Wait, what's that?
Oh, a skunk! Everybody inside, quick, before the skunk sprays someone! Only one thing to do now. Call the Paw Patrol.
Paw Patrol, I'm so glad you're here.
Just stay inside for now. We don't want to make the skunk more upset. Mr. Porter, mind if I use some food?
Take whatever you need, Ryder.
That's a big treat for a skunk.
Rubble, see if you can lure the skunk to hop aboard.
Sure. Looks like the skunk is limping. I wonder why. think she's injured.
Pups, we need to help this poor skunk before we can take her home.
Uh-oh.
Good, Marshall. You're there.
I know the skunk smell really bothers you.
But we need an EMT now.
On my way. Hi, I'm Marshall. Nice to meet you. That is one big thorn. Tweezers! Got it! Phew, hold on. Another one?
Oh, don't worry, Marshall. I've got it.
Nice one, Everest. That skunk has had a rough day. Time to take her home.
No, Skunky, get back on the wagon. Aw, sweet.
Hooray! Thank you so much, Paw Patrol.
Whenever you have a problem, no matter how stinky, just yelp for help.
Rusty's Rustic Adventure. Okay, what do you think?
I think it's awesome.
Yup, the Songotron 7300 will make any celebration better. Want to test it out?
Activating fun. Guys!
Liam, what's wrong?
It's awful. Oh, I think he wants us to guess.
First word? One of a kind? One or the other? Once upon a time?
No! I've lost Tyrannosaurus Ralph!
Your toy dinosaur? How'd you lose him?
I went hiking this morning with my Spartan Scouts troop, and when the bus got home, I couldn't find Ralph anywhere. I must have dropped him before I got on the bus. Poor Ralph must be so afraid out there all alone. I'm sure he's fine, Liam.
Of course he is. We'll go out first thing tomorrow morning and find him.
That'll be too late. We have to go find him now. Liam, wait! I'm coming, Ralph!
We'd better go after him. Come on, Ruby.
Looks like the fun will have to wait.
Time to pull.
This is where the bus picked us up.
Maybe you dropped Ralph behind those plants. I'll just clear them away with my multi-tool. Oh no! I think I left my multi-tool back in the yard.
Ralph! 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 Liam, you went on a hike with your troop. Are you sure you had Ralph when you got back here? Sure, I'm sure. I think. Wait! Ralph was with us when we stopped to drink from our canteens. I remember because he was super thirsty.
Where was that?
Down that path, over there.
Perfect. We'll just retrace where the troop went and find Ralph. Let's get searching. Not in here.
Worms? Yes. T-Rex? No. Ralph? Definitely not Ralph. Ralph! Not here either. Ralph!
I sure wish I brought my multi-tool. If I had it, I could build something to help us.
Wait! I heard something. That's his roar! Ralph! That way! That way! That way! How does Ralph keep moving like that? Ralph! Wait! Walk this way. Get him! He's making a run for it!
that was unexpected.
Come back, you! How do we get him down?
If I had my multi-tool, I'd have him down in like 2 seconds.
I know who can help. Let's get some bits on the fix. Oh, it looks like we're too far into the woods to signal the bits for help. So Ralph's gonna be stuck up there forever, and we're way out in the forest where nobody will ever find us? And it's all my fault!
One problem at a time, Liam. First, let's get Ralph out of that tree.
But you don't have your multi-tool.
We'll just have to use whatever we brought with us. Okay, everyone, empty your pockets. Great. Next, look around for a stick shaped like a Y.
You mean like this?
Good work, Liam.
I got you, Ralph! Hooray! Now we can go home! Except we're still lost, aren't we?
Yep, totally. I think we're walking in circles.
Any of this look familiar to you?
Nope, and my goggles aren't helping either. Sure wish I had my multi-tool.
Well, Ralph, I guess we'll have to get used to eating twigs and tree bark. Don't give up yet. I'll reprogram my tablet to boost the signal and call the bits. Didn't work. So much for getting help or finding our vehicles.
Then we'll just have to build a new vehicle.
But Rusty, what about your tools?
I got this, Ruby. What do you think?
Well, whatever we do, it better be fast. 'Cause it'll be dark soon, and we don't have a flashlight, or tents, or s'mores, or anything. If Whirly were here, she could fly up, use her camera to show us where we parked, and how to get there.
Unfortunately, she's back at the recycling yard with the others, and I'll bet she's worried. Wait, what'd you say about Whirly?
That she could show us where we are and where we have to go.
That's it! She'd fly up!
How are we going to get a Whirly view without Whirly?
Look, Whirly's like a little helicopter, right?
Yeah.
So that's what we need to make.
Doesn't a helicopter have a motor? And I don't see any motors around here.
I think I know another way to make our helicopter fly.
Okay, let's combine it
and design it. We'll use that hollow log for the body.
And to keep it in the air, we'll use those branches to build a propeller.
And finally, we'll need something like that slingshot we built before, only bigger. Put it all together, and we've got our plan. Customized, Rustified. It's the Slingshot Shutterbug 6000, guaranteed to show us the way out of the woods.
Guess you didn't need your tools after all.
Not when I have my best friend's help. Now we just need a volunteer to go up in it.
Ooh, pick me! I should do it. I'm the one who got us lost in the first place. He is the lightest, and we need this to fly as high as possible.
Okay, Liam. All you have to do is hold Ruby's tablet really steady. I'll use my glove to make it take pictures by remote control.
And the photos you take will show us where we parked. You can count on me and my co-pilot, Ralph. Ready, Rusty?
1, 2,
3, and go!
Hold it steady, Liam.
Way to go, Liam! There's our vehicles.
And there's the path that'll lead us to them. Come on! Just where we left them.
Yup, now we can finally go home.
Is that music?
Ruby and the Rustic! Hey, guys! So much for being worried. Sorry I got us lost, guys. That's okay, Liam. We found a way to get home safe and sound.
And we found a way to build something, even without my tools. Ah, my multi-tool. Thanks, Whirly.
And best of all, we found Ralph.
You know, I think all of that calls for a celebration, with a little help from the Songotron 7300.
Hit it, Botasaur.
Today's mega mission goes to Flicker!
Whee!
Flicker, go pick up pizzas in Central Square Station and deliver them to customers all around town.
Want to come along and help, Diesel?
Whiff, whiff.
I'll take that as a yes.
Whiff, whiff. Now you're ready to make tracks!
Load me up with pizza!
Deliver them as fast as you can before they get cold.
Got it! Fast and hot! Let's kick it into overdrive. Choo-choo! Pizza delivery!
Flicker!
I know, Max. You want to tell me what a great job I'm doing. You were in such a hurry that your deliveries flew past the kids who ordered them. No!
We'll only help Marcus remake the pizzas quick.
Choo-choo! New pizza for you!
We still have 45 pizzas to make.
What if instead of a lot of little pizzas, we make one giant pizza?